If your LG TV keeps restarting, here's a quick way to figure out what's causing it, and how to fix it. Before fixing anything, it helps to understand how your TV is restarting. If your TV stays on for a few minutes, lets you access menus, and then restarts, this is usually a software or connection issue. If your TV only stays on for a few seconds, shows the logo, or gets stuck in a boot loop, that's usually a hardware problem, which we'll briefly cover at the end. We'll start with the easy software fixes first. We go with power cycle the TV first, unplug the TV from the wall, hold the power button on the TV itself for about 10 seconds, wait another 2 minutes, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This simple step fixes a surprising number of restart issues. Next solution, remove any surge protectors, smart plugs or extension cords. A failing surge protector can cause brief power drops which forces the TV to restart. Next solution, sometimes the TV isn't restarting, it's being told to turn off. Remove the batteries from the remote. If it's an infrared remote, make sure it's not pointing at the TV. If the TV stops restarting, the remote likely has a stuck power button. Next solution, devices connected by HDMI can control your TV's power. Unplug all HDMI devices including Fire Sticks, Chromecast, consoles and cable boxes. Leave only the power cable connected. If the TV stops restarting, one of those devices is the cause. Next solution, HDMI-CEC lets other devices turn your TV on and off automatically. Go to Settings, General, Simplink, HDMI-CEC, turn it off while you're here. Also turn off Quick Start Plus, which can cause memory issues and random restarts during apps like Netflix or YouTube. Next solution, timers usually don't cause boot loops, but it's still worth checking. Go into Settings and turn off any sleep timers or auto power off timers. Next solution, if the issue continues, a factory reset is the final software fix. Go to Home, All Settings, General, System, Reset to Initial Settings. The default LG pin is 1234. At this point, if your TV still restarts, we're likely dealing with hardware. Here are the most common causes so you understand what's happening before calling a technician. Failing LED backlights can cause voltage fluctuations. When the TV detects this, it triggers a protection system and restarts itself. A failing power board may not deliver stable voltage, causing repeated restarts or shutdowns. The main board controls the TV's software, inputs, and startup process. If it detects an internal error, it may continuously reboot. Timing or signal issues between the panel and main board can also trigger protection restarts. If you're not experienced with TV repairs, this is the point where professional service is recommended. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick TV fixes.